Howdy everyone, how's everyone doing? Now, you might remember that a couple of videos back I was in Luxembourg and Berdorf, and hope I pronounce it correctly. I keep saying this, but I don't want to be like. I was recording some long exposures with the GoPro, as I told you, and today I thought about sharing how I did that, because there's a couple of things you can do with GoPros that not all of you might know. So here it is. And I just got one of my newest accessories for the GoPro today. I do want to share that with y'all. Now, as you can see, we got this lens up in here, but this is an add-on. Normally you would see me using the cage. However, this time I got this thing up here. This is not a cage, it's only like a rubber cover that I put over the GoPro for protection, of course. But this thing up here is a lens accessory. What it means is that using this thing, you can use these lenses that are 52 millimeters, which gives you that opportunity to take long exposures. See, dark lens. So how does it work? Let me show you. Now, first of all, there are more ways to do this. Like, there's a couple of things you can do. You can even use your sunglasses if you want to put them over the GoPro. But these are the two options that I can give you and that I'm using right now. So option number one includes the one I got today, this one, which you can also use, of course, without the cover. Okay, pay attention. It does come with this lens cap and with one UV filter lens. And it comes with this little Allen key, and the only thing you have to do is like unscrew it here, and on the other side like there, then it comes off, and then your GoPro is totally normal. The other way of doing this, and let me tell you why I chose this one today, is because if you do want to use the GoPro mounting method, like with the special way, you can only do it this way, because these things come under the GoPro. You can unfold them. However, there's a second way of using the filters. Now, my favorite way of using the filters is putting the cage on the GoPro. This is called a cage. Can you see me in there? This is the cage. You can buy this from any retailer online, or otherwise you can find out. But this cage not only protects your GoPro, but has the same option like the filter option. And you can unscrew it, screw it, you got that option. However, this one has the option to put an Arca Swiss compatible plate in here, so that you can always use it and you would never need to unscrew it. So basically, like a camera, you got the little plate on there, and then you use it, put it on a tripod, take it out. That's easy. It means, however, that using this thing, you will not be able to use it as a GoPro accessory mount. However, I gotta tell you that with this thing, you do get an extra accessory that mounts to the GoPro type of mounting methods. So these are the two choices. And while I was in Luxembourg, of course, I didn't have the new solution, so I had this one with me, and it worked perfectly fine. Here are some examples from the trip. You might have seen them already, or I'll try to put in different ones, but that's what you can get out of your GoPro. You don't need the phone for that. You do not need the camera for that. You can do it with this thing. Just make sure that the UV, or make sure the filters are 52 millimeters. The only ones that will fit on these things, as far as I know. And make sure that they are dark. Like, you would need at least 8 stops, in my opinion, to get that type of flow going on in your image. But you can do it with less. Of course, it's got to be a longer exposure or shorter one. For the long ones, like I bought a filter that's 12 stops. That's a lot. but then you get the results that I showed you from Berdorf, Luxembourg. So there it is. That's the way you can work around with your GoPro, either this way or just a little filter way. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Talk to you on the next one. Peace.